Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change the image of your desktop on Windows 11 and also how you can change the theme if you want to. So let's get started. First thing, go to your desktop, right click on your desktop and click on show more options. Now here click on personalize, and as you can see the first tab is background colors theme. So let's first change the background by going to background. Then here you can choose the image of the background that you like. For example, I will just choose this default one. Or if you want, you can choose a photo from your file. As you can see, you can browse and choose a photo. So now let's go back again to personalization, and here you can change the colors. You can set a different colors as you like, as you can see, and also you can set the contrast theme. It can be dusk or night sky, desert, as you like. You can see. Let's go back again to personalization, and in the theme here you can choose ready to use theme, as you can see. So those themes come in with the ready backgrounds and colors, essentially built-in colors. For example, I will choose this one, which is having black. You can also edit the mouse cursor, as you can see. And if you want to go to and browse more themes, you can click on browse themes and navigating to Microsoft Store. You can choose more themes, as you can see. So that's it. You can see now that my theme has changed completely. The menu and everything has changed. Yeah, that's it for the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave me a comment if you want to ask me about something. Thank you for watching.